how to colour in a swimming pool texture that's super easy to follow. So you're going to start off by flooding your kind of area with a very pale blue. I'm going for like an aqua turquoisey colour pool because they always look very inviting. You're going to colour some blobs with kind of your mid-tone blue, starting off with smaller ones in the background, getting bigger as they get closer to you for that perspective, going over the top with your kind of slightly darker blue pen to make those lines and those blobs like the water would be, where it shows different ripples and different kind of as the water reflects through. I'm going in with another colour, so kind of a fourth blue now, which is more of a turquoisey blue, just to add even more depth and dimension, because pools often have that different layer where the light's kind of shining through. Again, getting smaller in the background, bigger in the foreground. I'm now going in with my whiter pen, my Posca pen, just making it thick in some places, thin in other places. Oh, I have an accident there. I've corrected it, hooray. Well, Posca pens for you. And getting smaller as they move far away. You're then going to add some little highlights, lines and dots to make that kind of water reflect on the swimming pool. And yeah, there you have it, a nice easy peasy swimming pool texture that you can implement into your colouring with perspective, so it doesn't look flat or kind of a bird's eye. If you try this out, let me know. I'd love to see it.